In the bright and lively town of Greenville, vegetables didn't just grow in gardens. They walked, talked, and lived like humans. They had human bodies, wore clothes, went to school and work, but each had a vegetable face. Tommy Tomato had a shiny, red round face with a small green leafy cap on top. He had an athletic human body and loved attention. People admired his bright color and confident smile. Carla, Carrots, had a long orange face with leafy green hair flowing like a ponytail. She was intelligent, calm, and always thinking before speaking. Rhodey Broccoli was tall and strong, with a fluffy green crown for a head and deep, kind eyes. He wasn't flashy, but everyone trusted him. Every year, Greenville held a big festival called the Golden Basket. The vegetable who showed the best qualities, kindness, freshness, teamwork, and honesty, would receive a golden badge and lead the town parade. This year, Tommy wanted to win more than anything. He trained hard, helped decorate the town, and practiced his speech in front of the mirror. But as the festival day came closer, Brody became more popular. He helped elderly corn grandmas cross the street, repaired Onion Alley's broken lights, and encouraged shy peas to join the parade. Tommy's smile slowly faded. His red face grew darker with jealousy. The night before the festival, Tommy saw Brody's beautiful leafy crown prepared for the parade. Without thinking clearly, Tommy quietly took it and hid it behind his house. The next morning, Brody noticed his crown looked small and uneven. He felt embarrassed but still smiled and joined the festival. Carla noticed Tommy acting strange, avoiding eye contact, sweating, even in the cool breeze. She searched around and found the missing peas hidden behind a tomato crate. She brought them too.
Winning without honesty isn't.
Winning? She said softly. Tommy looked at his reflection in a window. His bright red face no longer looked proud. It looked ashamed. He realized he cared more about the badge than his friends. With heavy steps, he walked to Brody and returned the leaves in front of everyone.
Shiny red
"I'm sorry,"
tomato-headed
Tommy
character
said.
with a
"I
small
forgot
green
what
leafy
truly makes
crown
us fresh."
and an athletic
The crowd
human body
grew silent.
walks
Brody
slowly
smiled
to the center
warmly and
of the
hugged him.
crowd.
At the
His
end of the
bright red
festival,
face
the
is
judges
slightly
surprised
darker with
everyone.
shame,
Instead of
and his
one winner,
eyes are filled
they
with
created
regret.
a new title,
He holds
the
the
Heart
missing
of
green
Greenville,
leaf pieces
and they gave it to
gently
Tommy,
in his
not
hands.
for
He
being
steps forward
perfect,
in
but
front
for
of
being
everyone,
brave enough to admit
returns
his
the
mistake.
leaves, and
From
sincerely
that day on,
apologizes with
Tommy's
his
red
head
shine
lowered.
was brighter than
The
ever,
crowd of
not
human-like
because of attention,
vegetable citizens,
but because of
corn,
honesty.
carrots,
Moro,
cucumbers,
true greatness grows
and
from
peppers
kindness and
with human
courage.
bodies and vegetable faces suddenly falls silent. Brody Broccoli, tall, strong, and broad-shouldered, with a thick, dark green broccoli crown shaped like soft curls and kind, warm eyes, smiles gently and steps forward. He wraps Tommy in a heartfelt, forgiving hug. On the golden decorated stage nearby, the vegetable judges announce that this year, not just one, but all three friends are named the Heart of Greenville, because true freshness comes from honesty and friendship. As the announcement echoes, a soft golden light shines down. Tommy's red surface begins to glow brighter than ever before, glowing with the light of truth and inner goodness. Emotional, heartwarming atmosphere, cinematic lighting, soft sparkles in the air, animated 3D fantasy style, on-screen moral text. True greatness comes from honesty and friendship.
Subscribe to my channel.